Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Absolute convergence is the goal today as we hunt for the series that stays stable even when we remove all those negative signs quickly. Absolute convergence means that the series of absolute values must converge on its own, so we need to ignore the alternating signs and check if the remaining positive terms stay finite. Looking at option D, we take the absolute value of the terms, which leaves us with a simple geometric series where the common ratio is exactly 1/2 for every term. Since the ratio is less than 1, this geometric series converges perfectly. That makes option D our final winner for this absolute convergence challenge. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully, trust given conditions, and check your steps for success.